Introducing ZEWH, the Zero Electricity Water Heater by Explorer Poly Engineering, based right here in Bangalore. Imagine heating water without a single watt of electricity. ZEWH, or the free water heater, is an innovative solution designed to provide hot water for homes and commercial spaces without any reliance on electricity. Let's see how it works and why ZEWH is a water heater of the future. Our ZEWH harnesses simple yet powerful engineering principles. The system uses a specially designed insulated storage tank that optimizes the excess thermal radiation to heat water effectively without consuming power, electricity, or sunlight. As cold water enters the tank, it circulates through patented heat-absorbing devices that warms the water to optimal temperatures. This technology ensures a continuous supply of hot water throughout the day, which can be used for drinking, washing vegetables and fruits, and bathing, all with zero electricity costs. And the best part, it's eco-friendly, efficient, and cost-effective. ZEWH is available in two variants tailored to meet diverse needs: a 25-liter variant designed for homes and a robust 100-liter variant ideal for commercial spaces such as bar and restaurants, hostels, lodging and boardings. Whether you're looking to save on electricity and LPG bills at home or need a dependable, cost-effective heating solutions for your business, ZEWH has a model built for you. Explorer Poly Engineering, founded by Shivarudra M. Navi in Bangalore, has been at the forefront of mechanical engineering innovation. With over a decade of experience as a mechanical design engineer, Shivarudra has a passion for research and development, particularly in sustainable solutions. In 2022, ZEWH was awarded a patent, cementing its status as unique and revolutionary technology. Recently, ZEWH won the prestigious Amruta Startup Award recognized by the Government of Karnataka and is also endorsed by the Government of India as an official startup. Ready to make the switch to sustainable water heating? Contact Explorer Poly Engineering today to learn more about ZEWH and find the model that best fits your needs. With ZEWH, enjoy hot water, save on electricity, and embrace an eco-friendly solution designed for the future. ZEWH, the Zero Electricity Water Heater by Explorer Poly Engineering. Heat water sustainably